If you've just had a Tesla Solar Roof and Powerwall 3 installed, congrats! You're already set up for energy independence. In this quick video, we'll show you how to activate your system, use the Tesla app, and make sure you're ready to go both before and after you receive permission to operate from your utility company. Let's start by activating the system.
First, you want to make sure that you have permission to interconnect and you have permission to turn on your system through your authority having jurisdiction, your AHJ. It's the permit office. All permits have to be inspected and cleared for you to turn on your system. Let's go into the app. Once you go into the Tesla app, locate your solar site, go into settings, go into Powerwall, and where it says permission to export, toggle that from no to yes. This will allow you to safely export unused energy to the grid after the power walls are 100% charged. Then let's go over to the gateway too. Open up your Tesla gateway. Locate the breakers for your Powerwall 3s and flip them on. You also want to locate your rapid shutdown, which is switched to off, and you want to turn that on. Now we're going to go over to the Powerwall 3s, and we're going to turn them on as well. If you locate the switch on the side of your Powerwall 3, just toggle it from off to on. If you have multiple Powerwall 3s, turn all of them on. Ideally, you want to start with the leading unit first, and then the following units. There'll always be a leader and a follower when you install your Powerwall 3 units. So turn on the Powerwall 3 leader, turn on the followers, and since everything else was turned on, your rapid shutdown, your breaker, going in the app and making sure that everything was turned on for the solar site, and the permission to export is toggled from no to yes, everything should perform as intended. All right, after everything is turned on, we're going to go into our Tesla app and we're going to make sure everything looks good. You can see here, I'm in the Tesla app right now. We have our production, we have our home's energy use, we have the storage and the Powerwall batteries, we have the amount of Powerwalls listed underneath, so that's all accurate. And then we can just go into the app and play around with the settings, but everything appears to be turned on properly and performing as intended.